when it makes sense to dissolve your existing LLC. I'm Valerie 𝗪𝗵𝗲𝗪𝗏. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families every day through our high client value services. If you are seeking help with either estate planning or the administration of an estate after the loss of a loved one, you can reach out to us for a free consultation at 𝘕𝑢𝑟_planning_attorney.com. And speaking of value, we are here educating everyone every day. So please ask questions and share so together we can help some folks. Now, if you have an LLC that's active, and for those of you who don't know, an LLC is a limited liability company that protects your personal assets from any liabilities of your business. It also happens to protect your business from any personal liabilities. But there is one particular circumstance, and this happens rarely, but I happened to speak to a prospective client recently about this, where you're maybe winding down business and you're only working part-time on select projects. And the type of work you do has very little chance, hopefully none, no chance of any kind of liability, right? Depending on what you do, there are many industries that really have no chance of being sued for any reason. And so if you're in the circumstance where, say, you're doing your estate planning, and normally we would want interest in a business, such as an LLC, to be owned by a trust, if you're going a trust route, so that it avoids the probate process and having to go through a formal appraisal process with a court, you can avoid that additional cost. I know an attorney telling you to avoid extra cost with them, crazy. But you can avoid the additional cost of having to put that LLC into your trust when you're really at the point where you're winding down, even if you're doing it for a few more years. If it is a type of work, this is really important, if it's a type of work that has zero liability potential, right? One example I can think of right now is like you're an interior designer, right? You pick colors and pillows. I know interior designers do more than that, but there's no liability. It's all selective choosing of products and colors and things like that. Subjective choices. There's no liability or loss there, potential. So having an LLC, it may have protected you during the height of your business if you were doing certain things. But right now, if you're winding down, you choose the projects you want. It has zero liability chance. Really to dissolve it rather than having to go through the problem of transferring it to your trust and then your family having to dissolve it later, you could probably do it sooner when you get fairly close to ending your working career. So I hope that information was helpful to some of you. Again, I'm Valerie 𝗪𝗵𝗲𝗪𝗏. I'm an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families every day through our high client value services. If you do need help in estate planning or the administrative process after the passing of a loved one, you can reach out to us for a free consultation at 𝘕𝑢𝑟_planning_attorney.com. Please take care and don't forget to share. Bye-bye.